Hey, what's going on, guys? So, just gonna do a quick unboxing of the Bakaneko 65. It literally just arrived at my doorstep like an hour ago. It's just probably gonna be like a 30-minute stream, nothing crazy. I'm sure not too many people are gonna get a chance to get in here. I just want to open this thing up, take a look, because I've never had any experience with the Bakaneko. I'll probably stream tomorrow, do a quick build. I haven't decided on exactly what I want to put in it, but let's just do a quick unboxing. So let me get all this stuff out of the way. So I learned my lesson from my last stream. Crossed out my address this time. Let's take a quick look. I'm really I guess I shouldn't be too surprised that it got here so quick, considering that Bakaneko is based in Rhode Island. Yeah, I know people are gonna pull up and just start taking on my keyboards, waiting for my packages to arrive. But Bakaneko is usually pretty quick. I forget who's in West Virginia, but there's a few vendors that are on the East Coast. Hey Mark, what's going on? It's Fire. What up? Got this thing open. I know everybody in the Discord has been swearing by the Bakaneko. Oh, I did not even know that it was coming in a carrying case. Did not realize that at all. That's actually pretty dope. Yeah, so that's just my change order. That's dope. So we're already off to a really good start, because I was looking at getting another carrying case. I'm glad I won't have to. But wow, this is a little space for a name tag on the case right there. Let's get this microphone out of the way. These cables. Okay, that's pretty dope. So comes with a cloth over the keyboard. Here we have all of our build materials. So we've got our plate, got our PCB. So this doesn't, I was expecting it to be the like a SAT65, but obviously this is my first gasket mounted board. So this is actually unique on a PCB. I haven't really had a board that had that little cutout there. Usually, if it's like a sandwich mount or anything like that, it'll be the two pieces, and it's just a full, like a full keyboard, and then the blocker is just on the top part of the case. What else we got in here? What is this? The feet? Oh, okay. So we have a daughter board. We have our cable and our gasket, which I think is 50A. I think is the thickness. And then what the hell is this? Okay. It comes with stabs. That's always appreciated. See what we got. This is my first Bakaneko. I'm pretty hyped. Just throw that shit in there. Is that how these things usually go? I'm really, dude, for the price, I'm really surprised with everything that it came with. This is definitely a great value. Tofu who? Tofu's dead, bro. I don't care what you say. Oh, okay. So I got it with the zinc weight. Definitely super minimal looking, really clean looking. What is that? What's that in there? Is that for machining? I don't know if you guys can see that. Or it's not even machined, right? It's like a cast. I don't care. I'll never see it anyway. That's weird, right? You see it. It looks like it's... Yeah, this is A stock. If you guys can see it there. Let me let it autofocus. There you go. It looks like dust, but it definitely is not. Because it's painted, right? The board is painted. Okay. I mean, it looks dope. Pretty simplistic. I'm happy with all the extra stuff that it came with. Got your Cannon Keys logo there on the back. Yeah. I definitely want to see some pictures of yours on the internal. If you can post some of those in the Discord, that'd be nice to see. You know, normally I'd be like, okay, this sucks, but you know, for the price of the board and everything that it came with, for 65%, and from what you guys have told me about the sound profile of these things sounding fantastic, I'm pretty excited to do the build tomorrow. But yo, that's definitely killer. I'm happy with the purchase, and I think that everything will turn out well. I mean, I still haven't picked out what switches. I kept saying creams just because I already have them lubed and broken in, and especially for the sound that I want, kind of like a poppy. I mean, as long as it doesn't sound hollow, I think I'm good. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to build this thing. It doesn't look like it's gonna take too long. I'm happy that it came with stabs. Not that I don't have any, I have plenty of stabs, but it's just always nice to see that kind of stuff thrown in there. You know, saves you an extra 25 bucks. So pretty dope. Oh, you know what? It doesn't come with a cable. It does not come with a USB-C cable. Obviously I have plenty of those anyway. It doesn't bother me that much. But that's one thing, is that if you're expecting a cable, it does not come with that. Put these straps on. But yeah, definitely a dope value for anything else that you would spend 165 bucks on. I don't really think that you would beat something like this. Not even close, especially with something like a tofu, where you end up spending, you know, 90 bucks on just the case, and then you spend another, what is it, 60 bucks on a PCB, and then you still don't have stabilizers, another 25 bucks. Like it actually, you know, the price just goes up real quick on other boards, and already not being tray mounted is definitely a huge win. Because I think that's the easiest cop out, is to just make a tray mounted board and then just call it a day, and then just sell that. Definitely interesting. First first O-ring style board. Yeah, really looking forward to it. I have so many boards that I need to build now, and then I just found out that my Icky 68 is, oh, that was weird with the autofocus. Just found out my Icky 68 is on the way. I got the PNC version. I'll be honest, not looking forward to that board at all. Not because I have anything against the Icky, but more so because I don't really even like the color. It was just like a spontaneous buy. No real interest in the board. So it's all right. I think that's it, because unfortunately, I'm only streaming during my lunch break, and then I got to get back to work. So yeah, I don't think that the Icky is a bad board. I just feel like I don't need an Icky right now. Like, I don't feel like that colorway for PNC, like it really doesn't even like get me going. You know what I mean? Like, if I would have gotten one, I forgot what what it was called, but it was like a space themed one that looked dope. And that group buy opened literally right after the PNC group buy closed. So I kind of kicked myself on that one. I was like, I should have just waited, you know, because I missed out on the original group buy for round 1 on the Icky 68. And then I just was like, yeah, Stargaze, that shit is so nice. Oh, yeah, my desk mat came in yesterday. I just swapped it out last night. But yeah, man, the Stargaze looked dope by comparison. So now the Peaches and Cream is going to come in. And what sucks even more is I don't even have the Peaches and Cream keycaps. Nor do I'm not going to go aftermarket looking for those either. Like, whatever they cost, keep it. Like, I'm not interested at all. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And then my Rama is in New Zealand right now, and it's supposed to be shipping over here. But man, after listening to a bunch of like sound tests for what that board costs, definitely there's no excuse for why it sounds as hollow as it does. You know, obviously, you know, Sequence 2, they would have gotten an opportunity to fix that. Yeah. Oh yeah, that Rama sounding hollow as shit. Nah. I mean, I have Sorbethane and I have stuff to mod it to kind of start dampening some of that hollowness, but I shouldn't have to, right? For something that has that price point, like, you shouldn't have to do any of that. Like, a $500 board shouldn't need you to mod it because it sounds like shit. like it's excusable with, like, you know, $200 board, maybe $250, but that's probably like the upper limit of something that I would be like, okay, well, I gotta mod it a little bit to get it where I want. So like the Freebird, like after Brian did his video on it, and you know, he had to mod it a little bit, that definitely is, I'm okay with that compared to the Rama. So I mean, maybe I'll get it and then I'll love it, because I know sometimes too microphones don't really give you exactly what it sounds like, but it definitely is going to sound hollow. I just kind of got to make that decision. Like, I could sell this board and buy 3 other boards. You know what I mean? Especially the aftermarket prices that Rama usually gets from like Hypebeast. People are just going to buy it up anyway. And I don't feel like I need another TKL. Or I don't need another black board. Yeah, the U80 goes for a lot. You know, and I waited 2 years for it, so part of me is like, just fuck it, just keep it. And I know that machining on the outside, I know looks are subjective, but the machining on the outside of the Rama to me always looks really clean, especially the thermal. I like the thermal a lot. But I don't know. I'll make the decision once I have it in hand. Like, it just looks so clean. But then at the same time, I don't care what it looks like. Obviously I care what it looks like, but I don't look at my board while I'm typing. So I'll look at it while it's on my desk, like, oh wow, what a nice looking board. But whenever I'm using it, I'm likely not going to be looking at it anyway. But I'll definitely hear it. And to me, sound is more important than the looks. So I don't know. But again, it's subjective, right? Because then I know Misfire, you have that gorgeous the Tenshi board. So it's like, that board looks fantastic. The weight looks awesome, but you're probably really never gonna see the weight. So it's just one of those things. It's like, oh, this board looks dope, but are you really looking at it? Yeah. I mean, it is what it is. It's nice to have in the collection, but I use all my boards. It's not like I just put stuff on display and I just leave it there. Like, I know I have the whole like pegboard with a bunch of keyboards on there, but I rotate through all that stuff. Like, I switch boards every day. Right now, I'm just using the Gerald 65 because it's an Alice layout, and I want to get used to it. But all right, man, that was just the quick unboxing. I'll probably hop back into Discord, and thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I just wanted to do an unboxing online with you guys for anybody that hasn't gotten theirs. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll talk to you guys in the Discord.